We all have a fire inside. It burns with potential. This fire is our inner strength, our passion, and our drive. It is the essence of who we are and what we can become. When we tap into this fire, we unlock a world of possibilities. It is the spark that ignites our dreams and fuels our ambitions. It is the light that guides us through the darkest times and the warmth that comforts us in moments of doubt. You are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless, and your abilities are boundless. You have the power to achieve greatness and to make a difference in the world. Believe in yourself and your capabilities. Trust that you have what it takes to overcome any obstacle and to reach any goal. You are stronger than you think and more resilient than you know. It's time to stop being ordinary. It's time to break free from the chains of mediocrity and to rise above the ordinary. You were not meant to blend in, you were meant to stand out. Embrace your uniqueness and let your true self shine. Take risks, challenge yourself, and push beyond your comfort zone. The world needs your brilliance and your light. You were meant for greatness. You have the potential to achieve extraordinary things and to leave a lasting impact. Your journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Embrace the challenges and the opportunities that come your way. Each step you take brings you closer to your dreams and to the person you were always meant to be. Embrace the journey and unleash your inner fire. Become extraordinary. Don't settle for average. Let your passion and determination guide you. The road may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Keep moving forward and never give up on your dreams. You have the power to create the life you desire and to become the person you aspire to be. You have the power to change your life. Every decision you make, every action you take shapes your future. Believe in your ability to create positive change and to transform your life. Set your goals, make a plan, and take action. Stay focused and stay committed. You have the strength and the determination to achieve anything you set your mind to. It starts with a spark. That small spark can ignite a powerful flame. It is the beginning of something great. Nurture that spark and let it grow. Feed it with your passion, your dedication, and your hard work. Let it become a roaring fire that drives you forward and lights up your path. That spark ignites the fire within. It is the catalyst for change and the fuel for your journey. Let it inspire you and motivate you to keep going. No matter how difficult the journey may be, remember that the fire within you is strong and powerful. It will guide you and support you every step of the way. Let it fuel your drive. Let it push you to work harder, to train longer, and to strive for excellence. Use that fire to overcome challenges and to achieve your goals. It is your source of strength and your motivation to keep going even when things get tough. Let it push you forward. Let it be the force that propels you towards your dreams. No matter how steep the climb or how long the journey, let that fire within you keep burning bright. It will give you the energy and the determination to keep moving forward no matter what. You are destined for more. You have the potential to achieve greatness and to make a difference in the world. Embrace your journey, unleash your inner fire, and become the extraordinary person you were always meant to be. The world is waiting for you to shine. Believe in yourself. You have what it takes to succeed. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you realize. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you can, you will. If you believe you can't, you won't. It's that simple. Feed your mind with positivity. Surround yourself with believers. Embrace your potential. Your mindset is everything. It shapes your perception of the world and influences every decision you make. When you wake up in the morning, the thoughts you choose to entertain set the tone for your entire day. It can either limit you or liberate you. A mindset filled with self-doubt and fear will keep you chained to your comfort zone, preventing you from reaching your full potential. A negative mindset will sabotage your dreams. It will make you see obstacles where there are opportunities and convince you that you're not good enough. A positive mindset will propel you forward. It will give you the courage to take risks, the resilience to overcome setbacks, and the vision to see beyond your current circumstances. Change your thoughts, change your reality. By focusing on positive, empowering thoughts, you can transform your life and achieve your goals. Focus on what you can control. Take charge of your actions, your responses, and your attitude. These are the things within your power. Let go of what you can't. Release the need to control everything and everyone around you. Accept that some things are beyond your influence. Choose to see the good. In every situation there is something positive to be found. Train your mind to focus on these aspects. Choose to see the possibilities. Instead of dwelling on what could go wrong, imagine what could go right. envision the best-case scenarios. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely. Cultivate a mindset that empowers you, inspires you, and drives you to be the best version of yourself. Section 4. Embrace the grind. Success requires hard work. There are no shortcuts. Embrace the grind. Embrace the challenges. They are shaping you. They are making you stronger. Be relentless in your pursuit of greatness. Outwork your doubts. Outwork your fears. Push yourself beyond your limits. Your efforts will be rewarded. Section 5. Rise above challenges. Obstacles are inevitable. They come in many forms and at unexpected times. Whether it's a steep hill, a storm, or a tough opponent, challenges test our limits and push us to our breaking point. They are part of the journey. Each challenge is a lesson in disguise, a chance to grow stronger and wiser. Embrace them, for they shape who we are and who we become. Don't let them break you. Let them make you. Every weight you lift, every barrier you break, every drop of sweat is a testament to your resilience and determination. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Learn from your mistakes, grow from your setbacks. Each fall is an opportunity to rise higher, to reach new peaks, and to achieve greater heights. You are more resilient than you know. Every struggle you overcome, every victory you achieve, is proof of your inner strength and unyielding spirit. You have the power to overcome anything. Never give up, never back down. Your destiny awaits. Embrace the challenges, rise above them, and let your journey be a testament to your unwavering resolve.